Hey, it's Carson here on the Rip Ranch. If you've been watching our past videos, you know we've been gathering our cows off our summer permits. Most of those two permits we have are pretty large in size, and it's very easy for an animal to get lost or get missed when you're gathering. If any of you have ever gathered 100,000 acres, you'll know how hard it is. So we're going to go find an alternative route to finding them. I could spend months up there trying to comb through every canyon or every draw and every holler, but we're going to try a different way. So follow along with me and we'll go have a lot of fun today. Thanks for watching. Like I said, get used to the bugs on my windshield because they'll be there every stinking time.
We got a leak over here. Bad leak. Don't look at it. All right.
Are we all ready to fly?
Yeah, where are you going?
No, I don't know if we had to practice. All right, we'll let this baby warm up a bit.
What is this plane?
It's a Cessna 182.
Cessna 182.
66 model.
Oh!
So it's 58 years old, almost 59 years old.
Hey. This is cool.
More traffic, Skylink 04 Fox, taking runway 31. Close. 1700.
As with most older planes, the inside of the plane was very loud. I was unable to get very good audio, so please sit back and enjoy the ride as we go look for some cows. The pilot of the plane is my Uncle Dave. He runs cows with us, so it's great for both of us to get up in the air and look for the cows. About the time we got taken off is when he started talking about all the leaks and problems with the plane. I was totally kidding about the plane having leaks and problems. It was totally safe and we had a lot of fun. As you can see, the country is really spread out and there's a lot of places for cows to be hiding. If you look really closely at this point, we spotted a group of cows. So we got pretty dang close to them and we're looking to see if they're ours or one of the neighboring allotments. On our initial look, we couldn't quite see if the cows were ours, so we had to make a steep turn to go and see if they were our cows or someone else's. Yeah, those look like Allen cows. After further inspection, we really couldn't tell if they were some of ours. We knew it was a bunch of the neighbors' cows. Just as an update, I was able to send my friend out there who has cows next to us, and they ended up being all the neighbors' cows and none of ours. As you can see here, we were able to find a second group of cows more in the center of our allotment. We knew they'd be cows that were part of our allotment, but we didn't know whose they were, so we tried to get a closer look. As an update on this, we were able to send one of the guys we run with, and he was able to go gather those cows. Dang, who's that good-looking guy? We're on the home stretch now, and Uncle Dave decided to have a little bit of fun. This is the Jacobs there? Or no, that's not.
That's, yeah, Jacobs and then White Ring. And then you just get down the front and just try to hold it off as long as you can. I think you get Jake flying.
Yeah, you do.
So there's 80. Lamar likes to come in about 70. I don't. I'd rather get a little faster. Just have a little more control. But Lamar's, I don't know that long. I don't like the sun anyway.
That's not very fun.
Then you just kind of get down by the runway. See, I couldn't hardly that big sun. I was up too high, but it still worked out.
We still live, huh?
We still live. That's awful.
That sun's bad.
I should have come in the other way. See, if I'd have been thinking safe, I'd have blown her down. Come in the other way. As long as you hit on the main gears,
You're okay.
you're fine. My nose gear doesn't have any. It needs to be pumped up. Where?
That was cool. We ended up finding all the cows that we wanted, but man, did we sure have a fun time. Thanks for watching, and thanks Uncle Dave for the trip.